Day 6. Winter Storm 2026. And I know it's over, but we still got snow and ice on the ground, so I'm still calling it a winter storm. We never had snow. Normally, if it snows, it's gonna melt that same day. And we still got snow and ice. But let me give y'all a little Mr. Buddy heater hack. When you don't want to waste your electric heat, because our EcoFlow ran down all the way last night because my generator is acting up. So it'll charge up to 100% with the solar during the day. But if I leave things plugged in, then it's gonna deplete, because I got a battery charger plugged into that that's charging my 12-volt 100 amp hour life pole battery over here that I got hooked up to my inverter over there that charges my other EcoFlow over here, which is only 300 watts, but I can run all my lights off of that and my heated blanket. So if you don't want to use 2 propane tanks for a camping stove or use your electric heater, you can always use the heat that's coming from that Mr. Buddy heater and put a pan on top and cook you something like this. Something like this. A little ribeye steak, you know what I'm saying? You know, put a little skillet on top and use that heat. Yeah. So that's how we do that. 20-pound propane tank. Seeds going. Just so you know, I'm still growing. I'm trying. It's cold, but I'm trying. Still got ice on the ground. Snow. Hey, I can see my garden again. Make it. Shouldn't have to water my garden until April sometime. The snow is still a couple inches deep over here, but it'll be thawed out today. I'm sure ain't gonna be no more snow when we come home from work. Blueberry. So I got 4 blueberry plants over here. 2, 4. Lettuce, garlic, desert plant, but still snow and ice over here. I was just shoveling that snow into to my little barrel there. So yeah, I'll try to shovel the rest of this snow into there, and that's what I'm gonna use for my garden. A lot of drifted up snow right here. Ooh. It's deep. Still deep. So I probably got a little bit above freezing yesterday, but the sun was out, so that helped a little bit. Got a lot of snow and ice over here. It's probably 6 inches deep over there. Snow and ice, all right. See my plants again, the garlic. Broccoli head. My lettuce, still alive with the ice. Spinach, still alive. All right. Unfreeze. Another blueberry tree. I can tell the branches, it's not snapping, so it's still alive. It should come back in the winter. More spinach, more lettuce. Garlic, cilantro. Get out of there. Stuff encased in ice. garlic, cilantro. So I know y'all probably bored with all the winter storm videos, and it's not nothing compared to what other places are going through, but it's beautiful out here. We're in West Texas, an hour outside of El Paso, and if we do see snow, it definitely doesn't last this long. So, gotta go to work today. When I go to the city, it's like two different worlds because the snow was all dried up in the city. I think it was 40, I think it got up to 50 degrees yesterday in the city. At least in the upper 40s. Got ice in this garden bed, and I got potatoes under there. Yeah, y'all, the snow is slowly melting. Slowly melting, and I'm gonna have to get this bed back together because there's a big old dip right here. And I didn't have that dip right there, like that. I don't know what. The dogs come and dig that up? I don't know, but it's frozen right now, so I can't do nothing with it. Man, I can't even play the drums. Oh, I can't. All right, maybe now I can. But then my ass is gonna be wet. So I'm gonna leave that for now. All the ice is thawed off my Mondale pine. All right, I see you. You still alive, you still alive. All right. Okay, all right. But yeah, y'all, that's what it is. We're getting ready to head to the city for work. I'm not gonna keep y'all too long. Just wanted to give y'all a little post update. This is Winter Storm Day 6, January, what day is it? January 28th? Yep. Wednesday. We still got snow on the ground after 4 days, 5 days. Get this kill. Whew. So let's see what this garden looks like when this all thaws out. We survived. The dogs survived. Everybody survived. Even the cats. All right, y'all, we out. at Chick-fil-A, about to get my free spicy chicken biscuit sandwich. And yeah, no snow in the city. It's like 45 degrees. So, about to get my eat on. Made that ribeye. Knocked that out for lunch. They're gonna give us some free food at work. So, should be all right. All right, I'll get my stuff. Everything's fully stocked at this Walmart. I know everybody was buying up everything during this winter storm. I think we got enough Walmarts down here to compensate for all of that. Shelf fully stocked. Each section fully stocked. $40 for 2 ribeyes. You gotta be rich to eat now. All right, I don't need nothing else. Just came here for some tortillas. Yeah, y'all, they fully stocked over here. Oh my God, who's that baby crying? Why they gotta do something like this? Alright. Don't do me like that. This is the new Olive Garden we're gonna be opening Monday. And they're building the first Longhorn Steakhouse in El Paso right next to it. They helped open that one too. They're both owned by the same parent company, so it's an easy transfer. We'll see what happens at Olive Garden. Definitely hired a bunch of people. They said they interviewed over 1,000 people. A lot of traffic on this road. They're actually building a highway through here. So I don't know how all that's going to look, but we'll see. Portillo's is a Italian Chicago hot dog place that they're building right next door. So 3 new restaurants. Portillo's, Olive Garden is going to open first, Longhorn Steakhouse, supposed to open in March. Panda Express already open. Doing the car wash right next to that. Burger King, you know they ain't getting no business. Getting back in the serving game, guys. I'm gonna open my second restaurant in El Paso. So we opened that Applebee's and Horizon. And now we'll open this Olive Garden. Hopefully it's a lot busier than that Applebee's, because that wasn't even worth my time.